What's going on, everybody? My name is Dr. Eric Helms. I'm a research fellow at the Auckland University of Technology in both strength and conditioning, as well as sports physiology and nutrition. I've been a competitive bodybuilder since 2007, competing in now it'll be over 13 shows, and I'm doing another season currently. I've also been a personal trainer and a coach over my career, specifically for bodybuilders and strength athletes. And the focus of my research, where I got my doctorate and my second master's, it's been entirely on helping strength and physique sport athletes. I write books, I do research reviews, and I publish in the area of strength and physique sports science. I'm really looking forward to contributing to this course put on by the IFBB Nordic Academy, and I think it's going to be of great assistance to all of the trainers out there who work with competitive bodybuilders. The science is a very important component to your experience, and when you combine them with the principles that we're going to teach you in this course, you're going to get the best out of your clients and deliver them to the stage in their best condition and also safely. I look forward to seeing you in the course, and take care.